Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the KLM application about flights and deals. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button down below that can be found in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings down below and click on Notifications, which is the second option. Here you have two options, offers and deals. So you will get notified with the best offers and deals if you tap on this button in the right side of the screen, and you will automatically receive updates about your booked flights too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.